Okay guys, now today let me introduce our new design enterhead unit for the Volkswagen. It has a 8-inch capacitive touch screen, and it's an quad-core Android unit. And this is the power button, eject button, home button, navigation, and volume up or down. Okay, now I power up the unit. Okay. When I power up, I can rotate the camera at once. Okay. Even I haven't fixed the burn up. Okay. And also let's see the map slot and the SD slot. Okay, let's check the booster in case. Okay, let's check the radio.
都还没有确实的证据，但是我觉得应该引起社会的关注。无论如何，这老人的安全问题，尤其是不同情况的老人所面临的安全问题，其实也是多种多样的。这个事儿其实已经很突兀的摆在了社会面前。
多大类型也都。
欢迎您继续回到读解。
Our radio is famous radio IC, the NXP TEF6686 model, so it has a better radio reception than before.
100-500-5008-400-100-5008，就等你出发。附近租房还没时间去申报居住信息。
不用经的是直接上网登录深圳经济特区居住证服务平台，居住信息一次录入，多部门信息互通共享。以后申领驾照车牌、孩子入学、免费婚检、赴香港、台湾旅游等都可以在深圳搞定了。
Can use it. That is the external DAB box. You can connect it, and you can press the search. You can search channel automatically and install here. Okay, you're still here. Okay, fix it. Also, you can play music. Play music. Okay, play music. Okay, touch the radio. Okay, play the music. Okay, play music. Or you can also play the iPod music. Use the iPod music. You can play the iPod music on this unit. Okay. Okay. You can play the iPod music. Okay, and we also play the HD videos. Okay, you can press the icon to change or even you use this unit at night. You can also turn off the screen, but you still can hear the sound. 没有任何亲情，许多故事。Okay, and this is the video. Now we can also okay, check the Bluetooth. Check the Bluetooth. Turn on my Bluetooth. And for this unit, we use a Parrot Bluetooth IC, and the model is FC6000TN. You know the Parrot IC so you have the better quality and sound quality, and also the anti-interference check. We check later after I connect the Bluetooth. And for navigation, the unit can support the online navigation or the offline navigation. Online navigation like the heat maps. Okay, but you have to connect the internet. Also the offline navigation. Let's check the Bluetooth. Okay, let's check the FC. Okay, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, I'll download a phone book. Okay, download the phone book here. Okay. Now I can call it out. Okay,
欢迎致电中国移动。
Okay, the Bluetooth and the Bluetooth music can play music here. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's the Bluetooth music. Okay. I also show you a special function. It's the voice control. Check it.
Voice command, please.
Call
The name, please.
Alice.
Calling Ma on mobile phone, say yes to proceed.
Yes.
Call in pro.
Okay, sorry. Let's check later.
Voice command, please.
Call
The name, please.
Alice.
Calling Alex on mobile phone, say yes to proceed.
Yes.
Call in pro.
Calling out Alex. Okay. Okay, thank you.